In view of all these plots by the APC to rig the election, we hereby declare to Nigerians, on polling day, on election day, go to the polling unit, vote, and remain behind until ballots are counted and the result transmitted. And we repeat, vote and wait behind until the ballots are counted, winner announced, and the result transmitted, and agents collect their own copies before you can leave the polling unit. Nobody should confuse anyone with the excuse of having to go to any other place with the materials before they can transmit the result. Do not let anyone steal your result sheet and transmit stolen results. Let us also, like I said before, thank the heads of the security agencies, especially the DSS and the police, for the recently held closed-door meeting opposition leaders had with them, presided by the Inspector General of Police, where we express our readiness, both the security agencies and the political parties, to work together. We are praying and pleading that all the resolution reached towards providing an enabling environment for the election is duly implemented. The task ahead requires courage. The task ahead requires vigilance. The task ahead requires determination. The task ahead requires teamwork. And we all must, at different levels of mobilization, from the mosques to the churches, to the school, to the markets, to the town union, to the political parties at the ward and polling unit level, all work together with a common agenda to defend our democratic right to freely vote and elect leaders of our choices. We must not fear those who operate in the dark and are scared of a transparent election. We must come out very early, mobilize our people, and escort them to the polling centers, vote, and wait behind in an orderly manner until election results are announced, posted, transmitted, and agents giving their copy before we all follow it to the ward collection centers and LGA, so that united we can deal a huge blow to voting thieves.